Okay, so this video probably won't be very long, or as long as the other ones have been at least. Um, on this video, we're just really going to kind of focus on this little button, and we're going to delete our account, and we're going to talk about that a little bit. Yeah, so first, let's actually hit the security tab. On the security tab, we've previously discussed how we can use a passkey and use a different device to log in. Right now, I'm using my phone. One thing that I did forget to mention in that previous video is that you really can just enroll as many devices as you want. So if you have multiple phones, or you'd like someone else's phone or another device to serve to be added here, then just go through the same process that we went to add this one and do that for that device. The other thing is that you can delete at any point that device. So let's say that someone from your company has left, so you naturally don't want to use their device as to log in anymore, so you can just go ahead and delete it, and this will actually delete the data. Yeah. The other thing, and I actually can't show this because I only have one active session, but we can control how many active sessions or what sessions currently have access to our data. You would see it here if there were other sessions available, and you'd be able to manage those sessions. You would be able to restrict them, delete them, sadly I can't really show it here, but as you can see, just this session, and you can't really do anything about that unless you log out, I suppose. And we are going to log out. We're going to do the ultimate logout. We are going to delete this account. This account has served its purpose, and now we are going to delete it. And deleting it is a relatively simple process. We click the permanently delete account button, and the pop-up will show up asking us to confirm this action, which we will. And right here we get a little notification saying that our account was deleted. So naturally this will mean that we no longer have access to it, although I'm still seeing it. But right, there we go, we got logged out. Yeah, inactive session. So if we actually try to log in now, we can see that our email is no longer valid. This actually deletes the data associated with that account for security reasons, I assume, and really delete it permanently. This isn't hide and put it on hold until the user returns. It's an actual permanent delete. And I think this concludes this first series of videos on trivial security. So this has been really fun. There might be some more with other topics in the near future, but for now I think this will do. So I'll see you on the next one.